5G Action Plan to strengthen the use of evidence, information and research for policymaking in the WHO European region. The relevant document is RC6612. You can find the draft resolution in document RC66-Conf.8-1 and document RC6612-1 contains the financial implications. These documents were the subject of extensive consultation, political and technical consultation, and the comments made by Member States in the course of those consultations have been taken on board in modifications. There is, I think, an additional modification somewhere, but we'll have a look at that a little bit later. Now, I give the floor, I will in a moment, to Dr. Claudia Stein, but before, I think we have a brief video to watch.
Evidence is another word for data, information, facts. Here's a fact. Health policy works best when it's based upon evidence, because evidence strengthens policy. But evidence isn't always fully collected. When it is, it may be hard to find. Once found, it may be hard to understand. When health policy is left to chance, the risks are higher. Money can be wasted, policies may not work, and ultimately, people may suffer. The 53 member states that make up WHO Europe have a wealth of evidence to share. They also have an action plan to help bridge the gap between evidence and policy, to improve the evidence itself, to make that evidence accessible to everyone, to make that evidence understandable to everyone. This will create further commitment to capacity building in our national systems, improving research, health information, and knowledge translation. All this will help governments to make better health policy and individuals to make better health decisions. That's why we need good, reliable evidence. Evidence strengthens policy. That's a fact. Let's not leave anything to chance.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Dans une époque où les budgets seront de plus en plus limités, ceci nous renvoie à la conversation de ce matin.
Well, since budgets are going to be more and more limited, that takes us rather back to the discussion this morning. Evidence and facts will help us to prove the importance of the action we're going to be taking. And with that, I call on Dr. Stein.
Merci beaucoup, Monsieur le Président. Alors,
Thank you, Chairman.
Si ça marche.
Let's see if this works for a start. Chairman.
Madam Regional Director, Honourable Excellencies and Delegates, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues. I'm delighted to give you a brief introduction to the European Action Plan and the resolution to strengthen the use of evidence, information and research for policy making. Given that it is very late in the day, on the fourth day, we thought we can't afford to put you to sleep. So we decided we would give you a little bit of exercise. Not the Taruko Vistu type of exercise, but the exercise with your headset. We will be doing this in various languages, and I also want to say this for the benefit of the interpreters. We will start with French, then followed by Russian, and conduct the question and answer in German and English. But before going any further, I would like to thank Mr. Tim Nguyen, who is sitting there. He's the unit leader of evidence-informed policymaking in our division, and he and his team have worked really hard to put before you the action plan that you see there now. I will now continue in French. Nous convenons tous que les bases
all of us
factuelles
agree
sont
that evidence is
essentielles à
essential
l'élaboration
for the
de
development
politiques
of
civiques.
solid policies.
Nous considérons qu'elles
In
revêtent
our
une
opinion,
importance stratégique et en
evidence
effet,
is of
les bases
strategic
factuelles
importance,
sous-tendent un
and
grand nombre
evidence
de nos
underpins
politiques
many of
et
our
stratégies
policies
déjà.
and of our
Mais-
strategies already. And
Et ce plan d'action entend s'attaquer fondamentalement à toutes ces réserves.
Continue with there's always
Elles sont
a
souvent
but.
éparpillées dans des différentes
But
politiques,
while we intend to plumb
stratégies,
those
et pas
reserves
toujours
to the depth,
systématiquement compilées.
evidence is often scattered
Mais
among different policies and
si nous voulons
strategies, and
rester
they're
fidèles à
not
l'esprit de notre
always
politique
compiled
santé
in a
2020,
systematic manner.
nous
If,
devons nous
however, we
assurer
want
que
to
les
remain
bases
faithful
factuelles
to
de
the
tous les
spirit of
secteurs
Health
concernés
2020, then
sont
we
prises
must
en
ensure
compte
that all
et
the
intégrées
evidence
dans la
in
mise en
all
œuvre de
sectors
cette politique.
is taken into account and integrated
avons
into
également
policy implementation.
Aussi la chance
We
de
also
disposer
have
d'une
the good
plateforme
fortune to have
d'information sanitaire
an
inclusive et
inclusive
performante,
and
l'initiative
high-performing
européenne
health
d'information sanitaire
information platform,
qui permet à tous les pays de
that
la
being
région
the European Health
d'exploiter les bases
Information
factuelles et la
Initiative.
recherche
This
et
enables
de
all countries in the
discuter de tous les
region
problèmes
to
liés aux bases
use
factuelles
evidence and research
sur
and to
un pied
discuss all the
d'égalité.
problems related to evidence on an equal
Le plan
footing.
d'action résulte de ces
The plan
discussions
of action
approfondies
is the result
menées
of these
dans
in-depth
différents
discussions which were
forums
held in different
sous
fora
l'égide de l'initiative européenne d'information
under the
sanitaire.
auspices
Par
of
exemple,
the European
le
Health
Comité
Information
consultatif
Initiative. For
européen de la
example,
recherche en santé
the European
et un groupe de travail
Consultative Committee
spécialisé,
on Health
mais
Research,
aussi
which
vos
is
réactions
a
directes au
specialized
cours du
working
dernier
group, but we
comité
also
régional
took into account
lorsque
your
les États
direct
membres ont
reactions
appelé à
expressed at the
l'élaboration
last
d'un plan
regional
d'action
committee meeting.
concret.
Then, Member States
plan d'action
called
que
for
vous
the
avez devant
preparation
vous
of a specific plan of
est le
action.
premier
The
de ce
plan of
genre
action you have
à
in front of you this
l'OMS. C'est le
afternoon is the
premier
first
de
of
ce
this kind in
genre à
WHO.
l'OMS.
And I repeat,
En
the
effet,
first of its kind.
pendant la dernière Assemblée mondiale de
During
la
the
santé à
last
Genève,
World Health
un
Assembly
État
in
membre
Geneva,
non
one
européen
member state, a
a appelé à
non-European member
l'adoption
state,
d'un tel plan au
called
niveau
for the
mondial.
adoption of such a plan
Il est donc
at
clair
global
que la
level.
région
So it seems
européenne
pretty clear that
joue
the
un rôle
European
de
region
pionnier.
is being a pioneer on this
Notre
issue.
triple a duré 2 ans.
The
Depuis la
work that
première
went into this
proposition
carried
de
on
feuille
for
de
2
route
years,
de
from the
la note
time when
conceptuelle
the
du
first
CPCR
roadmap
et la
was
consultation
proposed and the
approfondie menée cette
conceptual
année
note
avec les États membres.
was readied by the SCRC.
La
Then, of
réponse
course,
à
there
notre
was the in-depth
consultation
consultation
organisée
with
en
member
ligne
states, which I
a été
mentioned and which has gone on this year.
extrêmement
Response
36
to
États
our
membres ont fourni des commentaires
online
et des
consultation was
suggestions
very positive.
détaillées
36 member
qui ont tous
states
été
sent in
intégrées
comments
dans le
and made
plan
detailed
que vous avez
suggestions,
devant vous.
and all of them have been included
Nos
into
États
the plan
membres
that you
ont
have in
clairement
front of you.
indiqué
Our member
qu'avec le
states
plan
clearly
d'action,
indicated that with the
nous
plan
sommes
of
sur la
action,
bonne voie.
we're on the
Comme
right
vous le
track,
pouvez voir d'après
as
la
you can
commentaire à
see
l'écran.
from some of the comments which you
Regardons
posted up
ensemble
on the
les
screen.
éléments
Let's look
essentiels.
at the essential
Je vais
elements of
maintenant
those comments
continuer en
together,
russe.
and I'll now switch to Russian.
Цель изложена просто и ясно. Мы
Our goal
должны
is simple and
консолидировать,
clear. We need to
укреплять
consolidate,
и всячески
strengthen,
поддерживать
and by all
формирование
possible
и
means
использование
support the
мультидисциплинарных
formulation
и
and use
межсекторальных
of
статистических данных.
multidisciplinary and
И
multi-sectoral
делать это нужно
evidence.
в соответствии
This needs to
со
be done
стратегиями, которые у
in a
нас
way
уже
which is
есть,
in line with the
такими
strategies
как
which we already
политика здоровья
have,
2020
such as Health
и повестка
2020
дня в
and
области
the
развития на период до 2030
Agenda for
года.
Development 2030.
В основе плана действий лежат 5
The
основных
plan of
принципов.
action is based on 5
Принцип номер
fundamental
5
principles.
был
Principle
добавлен
number
в
5,
план
incidentally, was
государственными
added to
членами
the plan
в
by
процессе
member states
консультаций.
in the course of the process of consultation.
Мы всегда полагали,
We
что
have always
глобальные
believed
фактические данные широко применяются
that
и могут
global
быть
evidence
адаптированы
is
для
widely used
принятия
and can be
решений на местном
adapted
уровне.
for the taking of decisions at
Однако так
local level.
происходит далеко не
However,
всегда.
that is certainly
Приходится
not
признать,
always the
что
case, we've
глобальные
discovered,
и
because
региональные фактические
global
данные
and or
не всегда можно
regional
адаптировать.
evidence
И что
cannot
стран
always be
есть
adapted to
потребность
local
в
conditions.
фактических данных, которые отражают их
What countries
национальный
need
или местный
is
контекст.
evidence and facts which
означает,
reflect their
что
national
странам для
and or
формулирования
local
политика
circumstances.
на местном
That
уровне
means
нужны
that countries need data and evidence
нужны фактические данные,
which is
формируемые их собственными
effectively
системами
collected and
здравоохранения.
provided by their own
Это
health
единственный
systems. That's
при котором
basically the
страны
only way
смогут
that we can
ощутить
see
свою
which will enable
сопричастность.
countries to actually feel that the data and
Действия,
evidence is relevant and that they
описанные в проекте
own it, so
резолюции,
to speak.
отражают важность
The action
дальнейшего
described in the
развития
draft
этих
resolution reflects the
базовых
need for
элементов.
further development of these fundamental elements.
Включают 6 ключевых сфер действий
You will
для
see
наших
that we've
стран
included 6 key areas of
4
action
ключевые
for
сферы
our member
действий
states
для
and 4
Европейского регионального
key
бюро
areas
ВОЗ.
of action for the WHO European
Вы не
Regional
надеетесь,
Office. It is our hope that you will be able today to offer us your support and to approve both the plan of action and its accompanying resolution. That commits us all to guarantee the observance of the principles which we have been trying to get across to you in the course of this week, which, as you remember, is that in developing and implementing policy, we must leave no one behind. Thank you for your attention.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Je voudrais maintenant donner la parole au docteur
Alexandru
Rafila, du comité permanent du comité régional,
member from Romania,
qui représente la Roumanie, et qui va nous faire le point de vue du comité permanent sur cet important sujet.
Dr. Rafila, on this important subject, the floor is yours.
Merci, Monsieur le Président.
Chairman, thank you.
Madam Regional Director, ladies and gentlemen, taking action plan and resolution tabled today propose an innovative and comprehensive response to the challenge of enhancing the systematic and transparent use of evidence, information and research in health policy making. As expressed in its session in November, the ACRC believes that the action plan is a welcome and much needed tool for the member states to ensure that the wealth of information that exists in the public health will be effectively translated into policies. The ACRC would like to congratulate the Secretariat for having developed the first action plan to focus specifically on evidence for policy making. This is a pioneer work at global level, and we should encourage other regions to follow this example in due course. The draft plan comprises, as we heard by Dr. Claudia Stein, a clear goal, guiding principle, and 4 key action areas with respective results, deliverables, key indicators, and proposed actions, and includes strong elements for monitoring and evaluation. The action plan and resolution will lay out the foundation for cohesion, collaboration, and accelerated action for WHO and its member states in the region to foster the much-needed rigorous and systematic use of evidence in health policy formulation and practice. In particular, the European Health Information Initiative, but also existing WHO initiatives such as Evidence-Informed Policy Network, of which Romania, as well as other ACRC member states such as Estonia, Georgia, Lithuania, Tajikistan, and Turkmenistan, are part of to benefit from technical assistance and capacity building in evidence-informed policy making, the Central Asian Republic's Health Information Network, the Health Evidence Network, among others, will serve as vehicles catalyzing the implementation of the action plan at both regional and country levels. Romania is also happy to host in Bucharest the next annual WHO Autumn School of Health Information and Evidence for Policy Making in October 2016 as a significant interest for this topic. The Autumn School is a key capacity building event for knowledge and for knowledge translation. As expressed during its May session, the SCRC welcomed that all comments made by member states during the member states consultation and the SCRC were addressed by the WHO Secretariat in the action plan. Health system performance was included, the link between health information systems and e-health was strengthened, and the action plan's indicators were, among others, further defined. The SCRC, therefore, commended the current version of the action plan to be submitted and for discussion and adoption today. The need to further strengthen the use of sound and reliable evidence in health policy making, it's clear. If we want to ensure that the key regional and global health goals, such as those related to Health 2020 and the SDGs, are to be achieved in a timely and effective manner, then we need to go beyond understanding that works and what doesn't, what works and what doesn't, and ensure that health information and research findings are incorporated into policy and action. Thank you for the opportunity to present the point of view of the Standing Committee. Thank you.
Merci Alexandru. Je donne maintenant la parole à l'assistance pour ce débat.
I will now throw the floor open for any comments or questions. Would anyone who wishes to speak please raise their nameplate? Thank you.
Donc la Fédération de Russie.
Russian Federation, please.
Спасибо большое, уважаемый господин
Thank you very much, Chairman. Chairman, the Russian Federation supports the adoption of the Plan of Action to strengthen the use of evidence, information and research for policy making in the WHO European region. Being the co-chairman of the European Health Information Initiative, Russia attaches particular importance to the best possible methods being used to collect data and evidence about the health of the population, the harmonizing of indicators and the establishment of a single integrated health information system for the European region. We also support the preparation of an agreed and coordinated collection of indicators under Health 2020 on SDGs and NCDs, which was discussed at the technical briefing today. In Russia, we have a WHO coordinating center on the collection and analysis of statistical indicators that carries out an active exchange of information and discussion with the European Regional Bureau of Approaches to harmonize the methods, including aspects such as its translation into Russian. I would also like to underscore the useful experience of the European Office in setting up WHO documentation centers. We've had one in Moscow for over 20 years. They ensure people who have to take decisions can use the results of scientifically based research to do so. We support the adoption of the resolution with one caveat. In the amendment proposed by the European Union on cooperation with partners such as the EU and the OECD, we'd like to add the words "and the CIS." Thank you.
Merci. Je passe maintenant la
Thank you,
parole
Russian
aux Pays-Bas, qui sont
Federation. I
suivis
now
par
give the floor
l'Espagne.
to the Netherlands, to be followed by Spain.
Thank you, Chair. The Netherlands is pleased with the action plan before us and is happy to adopt it. You know our dedication to the topic of health information, evidence and research. For this reason, the Netherlands is a committed supporter of the European Health Information Initiative. We are also in favor of the cooperation between the WHO Regional Office for Europe, the European Commission and the OECD in the domain of health information. The rationale for this cooperation is compelling, increasing uniformity in the data used and decreasing the burden of reporting for national authorities. By cooperating, it should also be possible for the 3 international organizations and member states to economize on expenditure on health information. Despite good intentions as expressed in the declarations signed between especially the European Office and the European Commission, and despite encouraging developments and results, practice seems a bit disappointing. In May this year, a significant number of directors of national public health institutes sent a letter to the regional director, the European Commissioner for Health, and the Secretary General of the OECD. In this letter, the directors expressed their concerns regarding the faltering cooperation between the 3 international organizations. The directors of the National Public Health Institutes received replies from both Commissioner Andriukaitis and Regional Director Jakab. These replies were very polite, but we would like to see a bit more ambition. We realize that the health information arena is a complex field, including many different stakeholders and interests. And it is by no way our intention to put the blame for the lack of progress with a specific player in this cooperation between WHO, European Commission and OECD. Nevertheless, the Netherlands wants to echo the concerns expressed by the directors of the public health institutes and stress the need for urgently improving the situation, both in the interest of the Member States and the international organizations. Madam Regional Director, we would be grateful if you would like to share with us your views on how to bring more progress in this process. Thank you.
Merci les Pays-Bas. Donc c'est le tour de l'Espagne qui sera suivi par la Lituanie.
Spain to be followed by Lithuania.
Merci, Monsieur le Président.
Thank you, Chair.
Spain supports the proposed action plan since we have a nationwide information system that is very similar conceptually, where data collection is carried out by our national authorities and by our autonomous communities in a coordinated fashion. Therefore, Spain has no main objections to the WHO proposal as long as this does not involve a redundant workload for collection, processing, and sending data for our country. We appreciate the effort on a joint questionnaire WHO, OECD, Eurostat in order to avoid having to send the same data repetitiously but according to different criteria to each international organization. We heartily hope this rationalization policy will become stronger and will be maintained in any new WHO initiative on health information systems. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup l'Espagne.
Thank you very much, Spain, Lithuania to be followed by Kyrgyzstan.
Lithuania warmly welcomes action plan to strengthen the use of evidence, information and research for policy making. We actively participate in the evidence-informed policy network and appreciates how this initiative builds our national capacity to build solid policy rooted in evidence, information and researchers. So I want to use this opportunity to express that Lithuania fully supports this action plan and is committed to its implementation. Thank you.
Merci la Lituanie. Donc le
Thank you,
Kyrgyzstan
Lithuania.
suivi par
Kyrgyzstan to be
l'Estonie.
followed by Estonia.
Chairman, Regional Director, ladies and gentlemen, I'm making this statement on behalf of Kyrgyzstan and Turkmenistan. Both countries support the plan of action to strengthen the use of evidence, information and research for policy making in the WHO European region. We think that having an integrated information system and putting our efforts together in order to improve the input of evidence, information and research into our policy making can only help us. Any national, regional or sub-regional policy has to be based on data, facts and evidence. The plan of action will have a positive influence on all existing and indeed future plans and strategies to be adopted by countries as they try and find the best approach to selecting, analyzing, interpreting and using facts and data in policy development and implementation in the field of health. Using factual data, information and the results of scientific research will make it possible for us to look at the progress we're making towards the Sustainable Development Goals, implementing Health 2020 and applying other national and regional initiatives. Obviously, we need to ensure that health systems are cooperating with other sectors and the wider society as well as we do this, but harmonization and better coordination of information and evidence in and between the health system and other parts of the economy in Central Asia is greatly needed and will be very helpful. Last year, the European Regional Office brought the Central Asian countries together at sub-regional level to look at the issues they faced in terms of collecting and collating health information. We now have a special working group continuing to back them up on this. We hope that our collective efforts will help us to further improve the provision of accurate, timely and appropriate health data at national, regional and global level. Thank you.
Je passe la parole à l'Estonie,
Estonia to be followed by France.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Estonia thanks the regional office for their work on the action plan and appreciates the opportunity to contribute to its development in the Standing Committee. The use of evidence is an inseparable part of our policy making today. Policymakers need to have access to the best evidence available and the capacity to utilize that evidence. We welcome the document's focus on e-health and health information systems in this regard. We would like to express our gratitude for WHO's assistance with a study focusing on the evidence for the negative health impact of sugar-sweetened beverages in Estonia, conducted through the EVIPNet framework. The results of this study will be presented to the government and used in the development of a green paper on nutrition and physical activity policies. Finally, we note that this action plan is the first of its kind and hope that other regions may benefit from it as well. Mr. Chair, Estonia supports the action plan and the adoption of the resolution. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup l'Estonie. Je passe la
Thank you
parole
very
à la
much,
France.
Estonia. France, you have the floor.
Merci, Monsieur le
Thank you
Président.
very much, Chair.
La France remercie le
France thanks
secrétariat
the
pour ce plan
Secretariat for
d'action
this
qu'elle
action
soutient.
plan, which it supports.
Au niveau national, la
At
France
national level,
dispose
France
d'un
has
ensemble de
a
sources
series
qui
of
peuvent être
sources
classées
which
en
can be
grands groupes.
classified in
D'abord,
major
les
groups.
sources à vocation
First of all,
exhaustive, le
exhaustive
plus souvent
sources,
issues
more
de
often
fichiers
from
administratifs ou de
administrative or
notamment ceux de
management
l'assurance
files,
maladie et des
from
hôpitaux.
health insurance and
Les
hospitals, for
données de
example,
mortalité produites à partir de
mortality
certificats
data
de
based
décès
on
et les données issues des
certificates of
systèmes de
death and
déclaration
data
obligatoire.
from obligatory
Suite à la loi de
notifications.
modernisation de
Following
notre système
the
de santé
modernization
adoptée
of
en
our health
janvier
system
cette
adopted in
année,
January of
un
this
système
year,
national
a
des données
national
de
system
santé,
of health
d'accès et
data,
d'utilisation plus
access and
efficient
more
et en cours
efficient use
d'utilisation.
is being
D'élaboration,
developed.
pardon. Nous avons ensuite les enquêtes.
And then
Et
we have
enfin, les
surveys
réseaux
and
de
finally
surveillance à partir de données issues
monitoring
d'échantillons de professionnels
systems
de santé.
based on reports from
D'autre part, les
health
différents plans de
professionals.
santé publique
The various
nationaux
national health
comportent des
plans
objectifs
do
chiffrés
include
qui donnent lieu à évaluation
data
et se
which
fondent
are
sur des études épidémiologiques
assessed and
utilisant les
give
données
rise
du
to
système
epidemiological
d'information,
studies using
les plans cancer
information
successifs, les
sources,
plans santé-environnement,
health and
mais aussi des plans
environment,
centrés
but
sur des
also
pathologies plus
plans on
spécifiques,
more
telles les
specific
plans maladies
pathologies
rares.
such as
Un rapport bisannuel
rare
sur l'état de
disease.
santé de la population fournit l'occasion de renforcer
A survey of the
la
population enables
la
us to
cohérence d'ensemble du
reinforce the
système.
coherence of the system as a whole.
Enfin, un
Finally,
comité
an
interministériel pour la santé a également
committee
été
of
mis sur
health
pied
has also
pour
been
promouvoir
set
les
up to
politiques
promote
intersectorielles en santé.
intersectoral health policies.
Notre président, au nom de la
Our
France,
president,
en
on
a
behalf
parlé
of
tout à l'heure.
France,
Il s'est
we
attaché
talked
en
about this
premier
moment
lieu
ago,
cette année à
this
l'antibiorésistance
year
et sera
did deal
probablement
with
dédié
AMR,
l'année
and
prochaine à la
from
santé
next
mentale.
year we'll probably be looking
Au
at
niveau
mental health.
international,
At
et
international level and more
européen,
particularly
la
at
France
European level,
considère
France
de très grande
considers
importance
it
et
very
s'implique en
important
conséquence dans
and
les
is
travaux
therefore involved
d'harmonisation des
in
données en termes de
data
définition,
harmonization
nomenclature
work
et
in terms of
présentation de
definition,
listes
nomenclature, and
La
presentation
France
of
encourage
summary
donc
lists.
vivement
We
le renforcement des efforts de
encourage
coordination entre les
strengthened
institutions internationales,
coordination between
notamment à
international
l'échelle
bodies,
européenne,
particularly
entre
at European level,
l'OCDE
between
et la Commission
OECD,
européenne.
the European Commission, and
Ces efforts sont
Euro.
essentiels pour
These
éviter
efforts
des
are
travaux
essential
redondants,
in order to avoid
aboutir à la
duplication of
cohérence
work
indispensable entre
and
les données
achieving
publiées
the
dans les
necessary
différentes
coherence between the
bases
database
internationales
published
et
in various
permettre la détermination
international
d'objectifs de
databases and
santé
enabling
publique
us
pertinents.
to set relevant
Je vous remercie.
health targets. Thank you very much.
Merci la France. Donc, je ne
Thank you,
vois pas
France. I see no
d'autres
one else seeking the
demandes de
floor
prise de parole pour les États membres.
for member
Je
states,
vais
and
passer la
therefore I'll
parole
give the floor
à une organisation non
to
gouvernementale
an
qui a
NGO
transmis une
which has
demande
submitted a request
d'intervention. Il
to
s'agit
speak.
donc du
This is the
Standing
Standing Committee
pour les docteurs européens. C'est une demande qui a été
for
faite
European
par
doctors.
écrit, donc je ne suis
It
pas
was a
certain qu'ils
written
soient
submission.
présents.
I'm not sure that they're actually
Ok.
present.
Donc c'est une déclaration qui n'a été faite
No,
que
this
par
was a
écrit. Et
written
donc,
statement,
nous aurons
and we
de fait terminé
have thus
l'examen,
completed
des
our
déclarations par
examination
rapport à
of
cet, ordre
statements
du
on
jour
this
et
agenda
de ce
item.
point numéro 5J.
And
Alors,
agenda
nous
item
allons examiner
5J
maintenant
will
le
now
projet de
look at the
résolution,
draft
donc, qui est
resolution
porté par le document
in document
RC
66 Conf Doc 8. I think there is an amendment going beyond the amendment moved by the European Union. Perhaps the rapporteur, if I give you the floor, you could tell us about the amendment.
So in the preamble paragraph number 2, beginning with recognizing the need to systematically Russian Federation suggested the change. The word "and" between the EU and the OECD to replace with comma, and the end of the sentence to add, and the CIS. So now the paragraph reads, recognizing the need to systematically and effectively use and generate evidence, information, and research building on existing data for the formulation of policies to improve the health of individuals and populations, and coordinating efforts with the other relevant partners such as the EU, the OECD, and the CIS.
Donc, prenant en compte cette modification,
taking into account those amendments,
est soumis à votre
I put this draft resolution to you for
des
adoption.
objections?
Are there any objections?
Je n'en vois
I see
aucune.
no objection,
Donc, nous pouvons
and
considérer
we can
cette
therefore consider
résolution
that the
adoptée.
resolution is adopted.